In this video, I'm going to share about some tips measuring the size of the lace frontal so you can avoid being scammed by some vendors online, because a lot of vendors, they would like to use the actual smaller size of the lace frontal, but when they measure it in another way, they will tell you it is bigger, but actually it's not. I will show you. We have 13 by 6, this one, 13 by 6 frontal, this one, the biggest one we have. And also we have the 13 by 4 lace frontal, which is we ship a lot, mostly we ship the 13 by 4, this one. And also we have the smaller one, the 13 by 2 lace frontal. Let me measure it for you one by one. This one, and that's 13 by 2, 13 by 4. You see? Please pay attention how I measure the lace frontal. 13, I measure from this angle, this angle, from this angle to this angle, because from here, where is the hair hand tie? From this angle is where the hair is hand tie, here, starting from here, starting from the hand tie area, this one. And 13 and by 6, this one. So it's the same for the other lace frontal, from this angle to this here, 13 and by 2 here. So it's the same for 13 by 4 from this angle here. (13 by 4), this is 4. But I find out that some vendors, they would like to lie to their customers. They will use the actual smaller lace, the smaller hand tie lace, actually hand tie lace, but they will measure from the lace, you see, from the lace to lace. Can you get my point? From the lace to lace is 15, right? So actually they will just like use a smaller hand tie lace. They don't need to use this big one. They will actually to save some area. They will measure from here. So they will use the smaller one from here. So they can save the cost. But from the lace here, no hand tie hair. They will use a smaller, for example, a smaller lace, hand tie lace, like this, from the small hand tie lace here. And they will measure from here to here. So this side, assume this is the frontal. They use this size from here to here. So this is a wrong way to measure the lace frontal size. It's a very tricky way. So they can sell very cheap price for the smaller one, which is actually not the correct way to measure the frontal. So to me, this is a cheating way to lie to their customers. So you just follow me. When you measure the frontal, you need to find out the hand tie area here, from this angle to this angle, not from the lace to lace. If they tell you it's from the lace to lace, they are lying to you. So remember this. Also pay attention. This is the flat lace. If we do the lace frontal in different texture, So the lace will become a little bit smaller because when we make the curve texture, the lace will be perm a little bit. So you need to stretch the lace for the different curve texture. I mean the lace. But for the straight and body wave lace frontal, you don't need to stretch the lace. You just need to measure like this, from this angle to this angle. But always remember, if you measure from this angle to this angle, it is smaller. Normally you will get smaller one like this. It's not 13. So actually they lie to you. Or even they will tell you measure from the lace to lace, you can measure to 13. Actually it's another lying way. So always remember how I teach you guys to measure the lace frontal from starting from the hand tie area to hand tie area, not the lace to lace. Remember. So I hope you can watch this video again and again and learn more from us. I'll see you in the next video.